Boy Abunda gusto nga bang isave ang karir ni Maris Racal? Pero may isang question si Boy Abunda na hindi kumbinsido sa dahilan ni Maris Racal na hindi nito alam na may karelasyon si Anthony Jennings. Siguro nasasayangan si Boy Abunda sa career ni Maris, na alam mo yun, lugmok na lugmok si Maris Racal ngayon dahil sa issue na kinahaharap niya. Ibinahagi ni Boy Abunda ang kanyang reaksyon sa naging paliwanag ni Maris Racal sa gitna ng kontrobersiya na ikinaharap ng aktres matapos makita ng publiko ang usapan nila ng aktor na si Anthony Jennings. Matatanda ang iginiit ni Maris na hindi niya alam na mayroon pa ring nobya si Anthony noong sila'y naglalambingan na. Pwede mo naman yung tanungin si Anthony kung sila pa, diba? Maris, alam mo yan. Ngunit ayon kay Boy ay mayroon ngang katanungan na kailangang sagutin si Maris upang mapatunayan ang kanyang sinasabi. Meron akong exchange ng text messages ni Anthony na can you delete screenshot and message? Sagot ni Anthony, alam mo hindi pa naman ako nagdi-delete. This is paraphrasing it, ani ni Tito Boy. Sabi mo parang gets mo kung bakit kailangan nating mag-delete, and then there was a line in that conversation that said someday hindi tayo kinakailangan mag-delete, hindi tayo kinakailangan magtago. So to you that you didn't have any knowledge that they were still together, medyo question ko yun as an audience, as an commentator. Saad pa ni Tito Boy. Si Maris kasi bata pa at saka marupok. So si Maris din may mali din, pero nandun na yun eh. Hindi kasi dahilan na sabihin ni Maris na wala siyang alam na may jowa pa itong si Anthony Jennings. Imposible naman hindi mo tanungin si Anthony na kung may jowa pa siya. Imposible, di ba? Kasi kung tingin mo na kayo na, magtatanong ka sa guy, syempre na mo nga siya, na tawag nito, ikaw nga unang nagpahiwatig sa guy, dapat tanungin mo yung guy na ano ba ang status ng relasyon natin, di ba? Kasi alam nyo, hindi din ang mali dito, mayroon ding mali si Anthony, hindi din ang mali lang ni Maris dahil siya yung unang pumiflirt dito kay Anthony. Kaya nga humanga si Boy Abunda dahil siya yung nag-first move. Kaya siguro nakikita ni Boy Abunda na itong si Maris nagpapakatotoo lang. Siguro naawa siya kay Maris, or di din natin alam na gusto niyang isave si Maris sa kahihiyan. People are upset not because of some kind of equality, not because people are not ready for women who are aggressive etc, but because of cheating involved. People who never experience being cheated on will never understand the trauma, and people are upset simply because in kahit 2024 na, many still value the commitments within the relationship and that cheating is never okay. In fairness, super hanga ako kay Kuya Boy kasi is very smart, pero ngayon di ko alam anong nangyari. Not sure if has just protecting Maris. For me, naawa lang si Kuya Boy. Tingnan mo naman yung issue ngayon kay Maris. Lahat ata ng mainstream media binusisi siya, diba? Pati sa social media, buong mundo. Sige, alangan naman papanigan ni Kuya Boy si Anthony. Kasi the issue here is not about sexuality or gender. Walang masculinity of femininity and thinking about being aggressive pagdating sa babae. I think they're free to do that sa bansa natin for as long as wala silang tinatapakang ibang tao. Kung bakit disappointed ang mga tao, it's because of cheating, infidelity. I think the hate is not only on her being aggressive but her being aggressive towards a guy who's already in a relationship. Oo, ito yon. Alam niya namang may karelasyon si Anthony, dapat hindi niya piniflirt. Ito yung mali ni Maris. That some combo could leak, but if it were with her BF, then everyone will just brush it off. I think the backlash is more on the alleged cheating, not on the sexuality of the woman. Stop the judgment. We are all human and sinners. It is one thing to aggressive, it is another to intentionally not check if you are both single. Hindi, may mali. Ang mali talaga nito, pinakamalaking mali is si Maris dahil hindi niya kinumpronta si Guy. Imposible namang hindi niya alam na single itong si Anthony or hindi niya alam na may karelasyon pa. I agree with you, Sir Boy Abonda. Opinion, this is not equality. Some are fighting for public opinion is equality. The two are not the victim but their partner respectively. It is true that human commit mistake, but mistake done consciously is a choice. Cheating is a choice. It's sad that foundation of the relationship started with the lies and deceit. I wish they will not cheat on each other if ever they will pursue what they have now. Tito Boy, my 2 cents, people are not talking about being aggressive. It's the cheating. You're out of topic po. Tito Boy, wala namang masama kung mag first move ang babae. Basta ba single ka at single din yung guy na gusto mo. Yes, correct yan. Pero kung alam mo na may karelasyon ang guy, bakit ka pa mag-first move? Totoo tong sinabi ng isang commentator. The mere fact that they were both in their respective relationship when the convo happened, it's a form of infidelity. Huwag mong konsentihin si Maris. She's already admitted it and said sorry and sincerely let her face her consequences. Malaki na siya, alam na niya ang tama at mali. Let it be her room for improvement. In the Philippines, why you are youngsters nowadays forgotten our Filipino conservative manners. I think the recent backlash against Maris team primarily from her flirtatious behavior towards someone in a committed relationship. While this action undoubtedly warrant criticism, is crucial to distinguish between condemning her behavior and perpetuating misogynistic attitude towards women who asserts themselves. Pwede naman maging empowered women and decide for yourself without trampling on other women's right, diba, Tito Boy? What I can't wrap my head around is why are people so invested in a matter that has little impact on their lives but couldn't care less to urgent matter that do, like the impeachment of the second highest leader of the country. Tito Boy, strong, empowered, decent women indeed have strong needs, but will never get it from someone that you are not sure of, and will never throw themselves to a guy who can't even defend any of them. The public rant is not coming from equality. It's apparently from unfaithfulness and having no delikadesa of the third party and the guy himself. O hindi siya pinagtanggol. Yun ang masakit. Hindi siya pinagtanggol ni Anthony. Although humingi ng sorry itong si Anthony, pero sabi lang niya na si Maris at siya ay walang relasyon, magkaibigan lang. So ano yung nangyayari sa kanilang di ba? I believe Boy Abunda might be minimizing the core issue here. The concern is not Maris' assertiveness in intimacy. On the contrary, many men might find that appealing. The real problem seems to be the cheating or infidelity. That's what has struck a nerve and caused disgust among people, as betrayal in a relationship is deeply emotional and moral issue. I agree the second part. It's almost always that in a cheating scandal is the woman who takes most of the blame and the man remains unscathed. Society always directs its wrath to the woman involved. Sometimes society also blames the women who got cheated on. Same with when a child is in danger. Society always instantly look for and blame the mother, and always forget that a child has two parents who often thus we say were the father. When we witness situation like this, so ang daming matataas na mensahe dito. Tama naman si Boy Abunda for me, though I hate the action that they did, but I do not degrade the person to the point of oblivion. Yes, they are unfaithful and sinners, pero sinner din ako. Hindi maganda yung self-righteous at naninira gossiper at the same time. It's hypocrisy. Nagpakatotoo lang si Maris sa kanyang feelings, kaso nga may karelasyon nung yung guy, at saka sana naman wag nating i-hate itong si Maris dahil tao lang din siya, nagkakasala tayo, may mga kasalanan din tayo, aminin natin yan sa sarili. Siguro naawa lang siguro si Tito Boy kay Maris kasi sayang ang career niya. So hanggang dito na lang guys, sana nagustuhan nyo ang video to. Kung bago pa lang kayo dito sa ating channel, please hit the notification bell, like, share, and subscribe. Caridad Official TV. Hanggang sa muli, and thank you so much.